Ladies, the 2023 Balanced Women's Conference will be here before you know it. Take advantage of the $50 early bird pricing now through May 14th. After that, prices will return to the regular price of $75. So don't wait. Register today and save. This is a can't-miss opportunity on September 9th to be at The Gathering for women of all ages to experience the love of Christ through worship, prayer, and encouraging teaching from God's Word. Let's take a look back at some of the highlights from our previous conferences.
We singing all together tonight. Y'all ready? We love to call your
God, you will never be the same after today. Never. If you don't get this message, I don't have another one for you. But I promise you, when God showed me this, I realized I will not let the devil have my children. I will not let him have my marriage. I won't let him have my church. I won't let him have my granddaughters.
They want to do everything and they ain't been called to do it. Yeah. Then they get mad if you don't let them in. I don't know why I can't be a greeter. Because you ain't never smiling at nobody.
Visit our website at www.greatershiloh.org/BWC2023 to register today. You don't want to miss it.